Bring the flavors of Jamaica home with this rich, hearty brown stew chicken, just like your favorite Caribbean restaurant. Today, we'll prepare it step by step with the authentic taste of Grace. Let's get started. Now, let's jump right into the prep. First, slice the onion. Then, dice the yellow bell pepper, followed by the red bell pepper. Finally, mince the garlic, fresh, colorful, and full of flavor. Next, the chicken. Wash it with lemon and vinegar, just like tradition. Season generously with Grace Caribbean Traditions chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and ginger garlic pimento. Add a little salt. Make sure every piece is coated in flavor. In a large pan, heat coconut oil. Add the chopped vegetables and sauté until fragrant. Then add the chicken. Mix well and let everything cook together. This is where the magic happens. Now, the sauce. Add tomato ketchup and Grace browning to create that rich, deep color and flavor. Lower the heat. Cover the pot and let it simmer slowly until the chicken is tender, juicy, and falling off the bone. In about 45 minutes, you'll have the perfect brown stew chicken. Serve with Jamaican rice and peas or steamed vegetables for a true Caribbean classic. Grace Foods, bringing the flavors of Jamaica straight to your kitchen. That's a good move. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more delicious recipes.